Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. AUD NZD Bulls attack 1.1000 threshold despite mixed Aussie catalysts. http ntvforex.com News ID 5F54C7 6 minutes ago by Anil Panchal. AUD NZD keeps recovery moves from 1.0962 to print 2-day winning streak. Australian payroll jobs decline 1.0%, China's Menyuderi drops plans for purchasing an Aussie business unit. US-China trade deal comments, virus-related headlines favor the risk-on mood. New Zealand's trade details will be the key amid an empty calendar. AUD NZD remains firmer around 1.0982, up 0.07% on a day, amid the early Tuesday AS trading. The cross earlier refreshed the intraday high with 1.0998 figures as risk tone sentiment remains positive. That said, the pair's pullback from the intraday high could be attributed to downbeat Aussie employment data and concerns surrounding the bitter relations between China and Australia. The latest data concerning Australia's weekly payroll jobs and wages suggest that the jobs were down 1.0 over a month to August 8. Further details suggest that the employment barometer is down 4.8% compared to the mid-March period when the coronavirus COVID-19 hit market sentiment. Additionally, news that a joint of Japan's Kirin Holdings and China Menyuderi Co. abandoned plans to buy Australian dairy firm Lion Dairy added upside barriers for the AUD NZD prices. Even so, recent optimism surrounding the US-China Phase 1 trade deal and receding virus cases in Australia, China, Japan, and the US seem to favor optimism. Amid these catalysts, S&P 500 futures refresh record high to 3,445.88, whereas the US 10-year Treasury yields also extend the previous day's run-up with a gain of 2.1 basis points BPS to 0.667%. Further, stocks in Asia-Pacific also take the bids by the press time. While the overall risk-on sentiment keeps the pair positive, comparative weakness of the New Zealand dollar NZD may also add to the pair's strength unless the RBNZ comes out with the bullish bias, which is highly unanticipated. Technical analysis: buyers await a clear break of 1.1000 round figures to challenge the monthly high of 1.1045. On the contrary, sellers will not take risk of entering unless the quote closes below 1.093025 on a daily chart. Additional important levels overview: today last price 1.0985, today daily change 10 pips, today daily change percent 0.09%, today daily open 1.0975, NBSP trends daily SMA 20 1.0871, daily SMA 50 1.0749, daily SMA 100 1.0702, daily SMA 200 1.0547, NBSP levels: previous daily high 1.1004, previous daily low 1.0943, previous weekly high 1.1045, previous weekly low 1.0927, previous monthly high 1.0802, previous monthly low 1.0559, daily Fibonacci 38.2%, 1.0981, daily Fibonacci 61.8%, 1.0966, daily pivot point S1 1.0945, daily pivot point S2 1.0914, daily pivot point S3 1.0884, daily pivot point R1 1.1005, daily pivot point R2 1.1034, daily pivot point R3 1.1065, NBSP. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me mt5.expert.advisors.